Welcome back to the Lean Living Legacy channel. Today we're diving into a game changer for your nutrition: protein. Protein isn't just any nutrient, it's a powerhouse. It's essential for building and repairing tissues, turbocharging your immune system, and keeping those muscles strong. Want to feel fuller for longer? Check. Want to rev up your metabolism? Double check by making a few simple swaps in your diet. You can easily amp up your protein intake, paving the way for a healthier, more energetic you. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to jot down these practical and informative tips that will help you optimize your protein intake and take your diet to the next level. Make sure to stick around until the end. You won't want to miss out on my ultimate tips and mouth-watering examples of protein-packed meals. Let's get started. First up, consider swapping your white bread for whole grain bread, or better yet, there are several protein-rich bread options available on the market. These can vary in availability depending on your location and local grocery stores, but they are generally found in well-stocked supermarkets and health food stores across Canada and the US. Always check the nutrition labels to ensure you're getting the protein content you're looking for. Get ready for an upcoming video where I'll reveal a selection of protein-rich bread options, including my personal favorite. Stay tuned. While whole grain bread not only provides added protein, but also offers a good source of fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Protein-rich bread offers numerous health benefits, promoting satiety and providing sustained energy levels throughout the day. This simple swap can enhance the nutritional value of your sandwiches or toast while boosting your protein intake. Next, trade in your regular yogurt for Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess whey, resulting in a thicker and creamier texture with a higher protein content. By making this switch, you can significantly increase your protein intake while enjoying the same creamy goodness you love in your yogurt. I personally love using Siggi's high-protein Skyr yogurt because it packs even more protein than regular Greek yogurt. If you find it too thick, don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Simply mix in any milk of your choice to achieve the perfect consistency. You can also add a scoop of your favorite flavored protein powder to boost your yogurt snack to a whopping 30 to 45 grams of protein. Full disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Siggi's high-protein yogurt. I simply love this protein-rich food and use it in my daily life as it is so versatile. Looking for pasta alternatives that pack a protein punch? Consider lentil pasta made from lentil flour, a gluten-free option that's high in both protein and fiber. But that's not all. Have you heard of edamame pasta and lupin pasta? Edamame pasta, derived from soybeans, boasts a rich source of plant-based protein and essential amino acids. On the other hand, lupin pasta, made from lupin beans, is not only protein-packed, but also high in dietary fiber and low in carbohydrates. Supporting lupin cultivation also brings ecological benefits, as lupin plants enrich soil quality by fixing nitrogen naturally. Swapping traditional pasta for these alternatives not only enhances your protein intake, but also supports sustainable agriculture practices. Stay tuned as we explore these nutritious pasta options and more in our upcoming videos. Let's move on to snack ideas. When hunger strikes between meals, having protein-rich snacks on hand can help keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Whether you're at work, on the go, or lounging at home, these convenient and delicious snack ideas will provide you with a protein boost to fuel your day. For a convenient and portable protein-packed option, reach for almonds or mixed nuts. Nuts are not only rich in protein, but also contain healthy fats and fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack choice. Keep a small portion of almonds or mixed nuts in your bag or desk drawer for a quick and easy protein boost whenever hunger strikes. Another quick and easy protein snack idea is hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs. Boil a batch of eggs at the beginning of the week and store them in the fridge for a grab-and-go snack that is rich in protein and nutrients. If you're craving something creamy and sweet, opt for yogurt with berries. This protein-rich snack is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your overall health and well-being. When it comes to quick and nutritious snacks, my personal favorites are string cheese, with a high-quality meat stick like bison and sacha inchi seeds. String cheese provides a convenient source of protein and calcium, crucial for muscle repair and bone health. Pairing it with bison meat sticks adds a savory flavor and boosts your protein intake significantly. Bison meat is leaner than beef and packed with iron and B vitamins, supporting energy levels and metabolism. Adding sacha inchi seeds to the mix introduces a plant-based protein powerhouse, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids are well documented in scientific literature for their role in promoting brain health, supporting cognitive function, and reducing inflammation in the body. These seeds not only enhance the nutritional profile of your snack, but also support heart health and provide essential nutrients for overall well-being. Together, these snacks create a satisfying and nutrient-dense combination that keeps me fueled and focused throughout the day. These protein-rich snack ideas are convenient, satisfying, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Meal planning tips. By strategically planning your meals, you can ensure that you're getting an adequate amount of protein throughout the day. Here are some tips to help you boost your protein intake and create balanced and nutritious meals. First and foremost, focus on including lean protein sources in your main meals. Options like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes are excellent sources of protein that can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. When planning your meals, it's important to balance your protein intake with carbohydrates and fats for a well-rounded diet. Aim to include a balanced mix of protein, complex carbohydrates, unless advised otherwise by a healthcare provider or for personal dietary preferences, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables in every meal. This approach ensures you're nourishing your body with a wide array of essential nutrients. To give you some inspiration, here are examples of protein-rich meal combinations for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast: egg white omelet. Fill it with spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese, served with whole grain or protein-rich toast, whatever you prefer. Transform your omelet into a rose gold delight with the addition of smoked salmon and turmeric, boosting its protein content and adding anti-inflammatory properties. Smoothie bowl. Blend spinach, protein powder, almond milk, and frozen berries, topped with nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Lunch. Turkey and hummus wrap. Use a whole grain or protein wrap filled with sliced turkey, hummus, spinach, cucumber, and bell peppers. To make it even tastier, add your favorite fresh herbs. Quinoa Buddha bowl. Quinoa topped with grilled tofu, roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed kale, and a tahini dressing. Dinner. Beef stir-fry. Stir-fry lean beef strips with bell peppers, snap peas, and broccoli in a savory ginger soy sauce. Serve this flavorful dish over your choice of base, whether it's traditional brown rice or opt for a healthier twist with lupin rice or konjac rice. Lupin rice boosts the protein content significantly, while konjac rice, known for its low calorie and high fiber properties, supports digestive health and weight management by promoting satiety. Vegetarian chili, black beans, kidney beans, and lentils simmered with tomatoes, onions, and spices, topped with Greek yogurt, or my personal favorite high-protein skyr, avocado, and cilantro. These meals provide a good balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables and fruits, ensuring you get a diverse range of nutrients while enjoying delicious flavors. By incorporating lean protein sources, balancing your macronutrients, and planning protein-rich meal combinations, you can easily increase your protein intake and create delicious and satisfying meals that support your health and fitness goals. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the power of protein and discover delicious ways to enhance your nutrition. From protein-rich bread swaps to savory pasta alternatives and satisfying snack ideas, we've covered a lot today. By making simple yet impactful changes in your diet, like swapping to Greek yogurt or trying innovative pasta options like edamame and lupin, you can easily boost your protein intake and support your overall well-being. Remember, protein isn't just about muscle repair and feeling full. It's a key player in supporting your immune system, metabolism, and overall vitality. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, manage weight, or simply optimize your health, these protein-packed choices can make a significant difference. I hope you found these tips and meal ideas helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Lean Living Legacy channel for more health-focused content and expert advice to elevate your health and fitness goals. Until next time, stay healthy and keep nourishing your body with the best fuel possible. See you soon.